Sufficiency Economy Philosophy for Sustainable Development Goals program by VCIL Community. From September 18 to 30 of 2023, the program was hosted by Pudalay Mahawichalai School in Mab Ueang Agri-Nature Center, Chonburi, Thailand. Pudalay International Team has lots of friends who are currently practicing the Sufficiency Economy Philosophy, or SEP, with the new theory of agriculture, or Kok Nong Na, and creating our sharing community throughout Thailand. First, we discussed our learning goals and topics. Now, Pitang, a Pudalay teacher and also the main facilitator, was introducing the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs.
Respect the national flag. Ready, front. Our nation.
Our nation.
Over 9 days, we got the opportunities to meet with the Agri-Nature Network to understand how they apply the sufficiency economy philosophy to achieve SDGs.
Good morning. And repeat after me. In this world, money is an illusion. Why rice and fish are true wealth. Thank you.
สวัสดีครับชอบเมืองไทยไหมชอบ
It was our honor to meet Ajahn Yak, the founder of Agri-Nature Network and the Pudalay School. Ajahn Yak asked us what we were interested in learning. He emphasized that building one's spirit is the starting point of creating impacts on the world. Ajahn taught us to think globally and act locally, where individuals have to be strong in the mind and body in order to act.
1, 2, 3, stop. Oh, everyone president.
At this point, VCIL team was presenting some gifts for Ajahn Yak. Wow, Vietnamese food looks so delicious! Next, we began Mab Ueang learning journey to immerse ourselves in the lively atmosphere of learning and doing.
Welcome to Mab Ueang.
There are 5 departments in the center. First is the training center since 1998. Second is the shelter in crisis, which acted as a community isolation center during the COVID-19 pandemic. Third is the Agri-Nature community, a village of people who love this way of life. Fourth is the meditation center. Final is the Pudalay School, an alternative primary and secondary school. A Mab Ueang member shares how she built this playground for her kid and then became the amusement park of many children, including ourselves.
The way that I do is to make the social, to make friends for him.
Oh, thank you.
Wherever there are challenges, that is Pudalay classroom. Our classroom is not only here, but also in many places around Thailand.
I got dinner.
And make the canal.
I got my dinner. Not this one, this one.
On On the same day, the training center was hosting a 5-day basic program for people for all walks of life in Thailand. They practice methods of natural agriculture. Let's join them.
We want one person to join with him. Okay, do with Bending on your hand.
Phát ทองปักทองเวียดนาม
Bí đỏ.
บีดอได้แล้ว1 คำแล้ว
3, 2, 1.
โอ้อินเตอร์มากเลยอ่ะผมจะสปีกไทยแล้วก็สปีกอังกฤษแต่ผมจะไม่พูดเอง Good morning อย่างเดียวนะฮะน้องโบเก้ว่ะมีลาบ
เรามีลาบไทยแล้วก็ไปเวียดนามเลยได้แล้ว
เหรอฮะใครครับผม
ชื่อลินค่ะ Hi, my name is Ling. I'm from Hải Dương, a province in the north of Vietnam. I'm destined to learn at the School of Global Studies in Thammasat University for 4 years. I'm really grateful to be part of this course, a chance to connect with kind people and my life purpose.
ภาษาลาวก็มีนะ
มีคนลาว2 คนนะคะ
เอาเลยเอามาสั่น
เพิ่นอธิบายมาว่ามีการ
Not only Vietnamese, there are 2 Laos and 1 Taiwanese attending also. We were all willing to support each other. As the King Rama IX once said, unity is the power upholding the country. This is Ajanto, the head of Agri-Nature Network in Thailand. We learned how the network created social movements towards SEP, and we explored the principle of Agri-Nature. It's time to practice.
It have some pain. เราก็เลยบอกไปว่าที่ไทยก็มี
Everyone in pause. Okay, now he will show some tricks.
This is a learning center called Asa Chawna Mahanakhon. It's an agri-nature center in suburban Bangkok. We were lucky to pay a visit to the Grandpa Market. The market is a monthly event gathering SEP practitioners to share their product. This is P. Warakiat, the founder of Asa Chawna Center. Look at our translators. They had to work so hard. Adanyak asked the audience, would anybody volunteer to help our Vietnamese friends start an agri-nature center like this in Vietnam? These people expressed great excitement to join on stage. It was indeed a touching moment for us. We had a delightful time walking around various shops in the Grandpa markets. It was inspiring to see creative ideas tailored into healthy essential products. Some of us talked to the sellers to understand their motivation to be here and why they joined the network.
ระบบนิเวศไม่เหมือนกันฤดูกาลไม่เหมือนกัน
We toured around the center. Though it was really hot, we were not tired. The center is home to abundant species of plants and fruits. All of us were in awe, tasting and studying the plants' benefits.
ก็ได้กินเปลือกก็ได้มะกอกป่าเปรี้ยว
จะกินให้ดูหน่อยได้ว้าวอันนี้ได้เหรอจะsống ngon hơn chín.
Yêu.
We feed them with the plant that you eat. Cần về lá.
Cần dày lá.
บอกเขาว่าของเราคือหูเสือ
Tiger's ear.
Tiger ear.
Thái ơi, ồ,
หูเสือ means tiger ear.
bên lúc này là vú sữa. Đồ lô.
With your brain.
กินแล้วจะฉลาด
Cái gì không biết. Hấp nhiều này. You.
โอ้ย
Đừng khó khăn.
โตโร่ อีท
Ăn rồi mà. No, it's very strong.
แต่พอมันถูกวนกลับมาเนี่ยน้ำที่อยู่บนบ่อเป็นน้ำธรรมดา
Then the team learned to make a traditional Thai dessert, babin, with a lovely grandma. Another activity is to study the important skill set of using spades. For example, what technique can we use to fix a broken spade? This is a space when we studied water relationships across Southeast Asia and the watershed approach to manage the ecosystem. We were able to understand the interconnected ongoing situations and impacts on countries. Yay! Class was finished! Like Mab Ueang, there's an eco-village together with the learning center. It is Bung Nam Lak Eco-Village. Let's visit the eco-village. We learned hard, worked hard, and even played harder. Let's jump into the water. Right at the start of the next early morning, we had an unexpected workout in the field. The truck was stuck in deep mud. Oops, but we made it through together. For your information, working in the outdoor needs sun protection. Everyone was amazed at the charcoal sunblock, a homemade product of Thai wisdom.
เป็นแดงอย่างเงี้ยนะOkay, let's go. Let's go.
Mát, no mà. Yen.
สวัสดีครับ
He have water already.
Đi Bắc nhân dịp cầu để những con đường tổ quốc yêu thương.
Yên hàng với lên lọ.
มีผู้เชี่ยวชาญทางด้าน
Thì biết tiếng Anh chưa?
Đấy, anh Bình anh
Cứ chia ra đây một.
Chạc, chạc. Đền.
both of them.
Đền. Chuột chặt đền. Chuột chặt đền.
ฝรั่งสอนคนเวียดนามพูดไทย
สอนปะ
อะไรที่ได้ใช้
Excuse me, this is my bamboo pointer. Small tree like more value I create for other people. The more my value will increase also. Unity is power. 3, 2, 1.
ขอบคุณค่ะแอนก๊อฟ
We visited Asomsin Institute of the Arts, a private university. Most Putalay students will continue their study here. We went to the first grandpa market, then came to realize who the grandpa was. That is Professor Rapi Sakrik, Ajahn Rapi, the first chairman of Asomsin Institute. He played a crucial role in human development through education and agriculture. In memorial and paying respect to his legacy, we named the market as Grandpa Markets.
Taka กระจูดค่ะ มาจากพัทลุงนะคะ import from country.
Next, we experienced a typical learning style of Pudalay School with Ajahn Nui, the director of Social Entrepreneurship Program. The classroom felt like a co-learning space where we all learned from each other's questions and stories. The aim was to understand underlying models of thoughts and actions behind global problems and what social entrepreneurship is. Then we attended the contemplative arts, an important course of the social entrepreneurship curriculum with Ajahn Pong. The class allowed us to be mindful through drawing. People surprisingly enjoyed seeing themselves through the contour and gesture drawings.
Relax while you're drawing. Don't make it serious. And don't draw it from your imagination or your memory. So for example, like you draw the cabbage. You know this is the cabbage. Don't draw from your imagination. Just draw from the picture that you see in front of you at the present. Yeah. Just use your hand and let your hand go with what you see. Yeah. Just following that.
Slowly around the artwork to see every pieces of friends. This time.
วิชาของผมเนี่ยมันเหมือนวิชาวาดเขียนแต่จริงๆคือวาดตัวเองแล้วรู้จักตัวเองเนี่ยเพราะฉะนั้นความสำคัญมันคืออยู่ที่การภาวนากุญแจ4 ดอกที่เขียน
Back to Mab Ueang, we started the day with a fun game called Waste with Legs.
Bây giờ các bạn lăn mà tiến lên. Are you sure? Yeah, you all good. You all right.
It energized everyone to study waste management and the charcoal making process burned in a biomass stove. Another hands-on workshop we participated in featured household products made from herbs in our forest. We got our hands dirty as creating useful things for our daily life, such as detergents, hand soap, and facial scrub. The next lesson is about how to calculate carbon credit that estimates the values of the trees.
Sorry everyone. The height of the eye.
ก็มี2อ่ะ
Pudalay School planted their own organic rice. It's the first time for many of us to carefully examine the components of a grain of rice and use the manual rice mill. program couldn't have been complete without the next step planning session. We split into different groups who shared similar interests and goals to plan what's the next step. As a result, 6 initiatives were formed, planned to take place in 6 areas in Vietnam. It has been such an impressive journey. Cannot wait to meet you all next time.